Assalamu alaikum and welcome to our channel. I am Dr. Hamad Ismail. Today we will talk about the GROMACS tutorial. Mainly we will focus on the protein ligand complex and its molecular dynamic simulations. MD simulations are basically Linux based simulations. In today's tutorial we will demonstrate that how you can install Ubuntu in the Windows and run the MD simulation using GROMACS tutorial. I am using Windows 11. First of all, you need to go to the Start button and search for the Turn Windows feature on and off. This window will pop up. From this window, search the options Virtual Machine Platform and check mark it. And the second option is Windows Subset for Linux, check mark it. These two options must be check marked and click on the OK button. After that, restart your computer. The second step requires the virtual visualization on during the BIOS system. When you start your computer, click on the F1 or F2. In my case, it works for the F2 button. When you press F1 or F2, you will enter in your BIOS. In your BIOS, search for the security and search for the virtualization option. In virtualization option, search for the virtualization technology. Turn it on. It should be enabled. Save the changes and again restart the computer. The question is why we need that. We need it because we are Windows user and we want the Linux system to install on the Windows. That's why we are going to make a virtual machine which will work for us as a complete Linux system. So we need these features. After the restart, go to the Start button and open Microsoft Store. Search for LTS. In the LTS, you will find Ubuntu 22.04.5 LTS. Click on the Install button. It will take some time to install in your system. This is Windows Subset for Linux, which is commonly known as WS. When it will install, you will get in your Start. I am using 22 version because it is compatible with the GROMACS MD simulations. Our Ubuntu has been installed. It is giving you the option Open. You can directly open it from here or you can go to the Start and search for the Ubuntu. It will show you the Ubuntu icon. Click on the Ubuntu icon. It will take few minutes to get it ready. It is installed. First time it will ask you to give a username. I am giving it the name Maddie. After you enter the name, it will ask you to give a password. Keep it a simple password. For example, I give it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make it simple, which you can remember. It will not show you when you type. Just type and press enter. It will ask you to reconfirm. Again type 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and enter. So it said installation is complete and your system is ready. And you will see like this. This is your name and this is your laptop name. After the installation, type sudo apt apt update. This is the command which will update your Ubuntu. It will ask password, type 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and press enter. It will start working. If any update needed, it will update it. It's saying 87 packages can be upgraded. You can run this command once in a day. So now we update this package. We type sudo apt upgrade. It will update all the package. Press yes, Y and enter. Now it's updating all the packages. Make sure your internet is connected while you are doing all these steps, because it will take these packages from internet source. Our Ubuntu has been updated. In first step, we have installed Ubuntu in our Windows system. Now our second step is installation of GROMACS. For GROMACS installation, we will need Python 3.5 and Ubuntu 22.5. In first step, we updated our system. In second step, we will install GROMACS dependencies, and in third step, we will download and compile GROMACS, and then we will source it. We have performed this step. Now we will going to this step. I will paste these commands in the description section. You can copy and paste. Simply, I copy this command from here. I go to the Ubuntu and simply Ctrl V and paste and press enter button. It's going to start all these dependencies. Our dependencies installation is complete. Now the next step is download and compile GROMACS. Here I am using 2023 version because I have tested it. It is working fine for me, but you can also download the latest version. Simply copy these commands and simply Ctrl V paste these commands in the Ubuntu terminal and press enter. It is now start downloading the GROMACS 2023 from the web server. After the installation, it will start installation. Our installation is complete. You can see that here new thing, the GROMACS 2023.3 and build has been appeared, which means our GROMACS has been installed. Now at the next step, we need to source the GROMACS, which means we need to give the path to GROMACS that it can access the Linux and run our program. So we need these two lines, copy and paste in the Linux and press enter, and it is done. Now the next step is we need to create an environment within the Linux, which means it's just like a room. We are creating in a house a room in which we can run the GROMACS. Why we need this environment? We need this environment so that our GROMACS Python or package must not conflict with any other program. So first of all, we run this command and enter. It will start. It's giving an error. It says package Python 3.7 has no installation candidate, which means the Python 3.7 is not available. We simply check Python space -- version and press enter. So Python is not available. We click on the CD button and press enter. It's come in the main command line, and now we first install in the Python. We check the Python version again. Python version is none. We check the Python 3 version. Sometime this command for Python 3 version, enter. You can see the by default Python version here is 3.10, but we need 3.7. That's why it is giving this error. So we need to change this 3.10 into 3.7. For this, we need to run the following command for Python 3. We run these commands. Copy and paste. It will take some time. It will ask you a password. It will take some time and will install all the packages and related thing. Okay, it's done. Now after this, we need to install this Python version manager, which will change our Python. Copy this command and run this as well. It also will take some time and it will proceed. Okay, the next, you need to copy this command it will export your Python to the working directory. Press enter and it's done. Next step, we need to install Python. There are two options. We install Python 3.7 or Python Global. Copy these two commands and paste in the Python and press enter. Press Y and press enter. It will take some time and will install the Python 3.7 in your system. It is completed. Now we will check the Python version. We run again that command Python space dash dash version. So now you can see it has changed the Python version from 3.10 to 3.7. We do this because the GROMACS will work only on Python 3.7. It will not work higher than this. The next step is we need to create an environment. As I told you earlier, environment is just a folder, a room in which we will perform all our tasks. To create an environment, I copy this command and paste it over here. Python-m space env-gromacs.evn. So the gromacs.evn is my name, the name of the room, the name of the folder which I gave. Now the next step is to activate this room, to activate this command. To activate this command, just run this one, source gromacs in and activate. Now you can see, before it was like medi@t40. Now it's like GROMACS environment, which means it is not in the base room. In fact, it is in this GROMACS folder. Rest of the installation will be done here, or rest of the things will be carried out in this folder specifically. Now we will install the other packages which is needed. The one package is NumPy and the other one package is NetworkX. For the NumPy, you can install any updated packages. For this, we just first need to upgrade the pip. Pip is basically Python packages. We want to update because we make a new room. In this new room, we are going to update it. We are making a new folder. Just give it a time to complete its update. The pip is completed. Now, the next step, from the pip, we will install NumPy for the Python 3.7. For this, run this command and press enter. It will install the NumPy. So here the NumPy 1.221 is installed. Now the next step is to install the NetworkX. Here the NetworkX must be 1.11 because it is compatible with Python 3.7. Otherwise it will not work. Copy paste over here and press enter. Now we have installed all the packages. Just to verify either it is working right or not, just go to this one and type GMX. It will give you some values, and at the last it will say like GROMACS remind you roses are red, violets are blue, unexpected. It is confirmation that your GROMACS is working fine. When GROMACS works fine, it gives you a code. Every time you will see a new code. Next, you want to check either your other packages like NumPy and network is fine. Simply copy these two commands and paste in your terminal and press enter. You will see here it is say Python is 3.7. Next, the NumPy is 1.21.6 and NetworkX is 1.11. These three packages are needed to run the GROMACS. So here we have completed our installation step. This is all for today. If you have any question, please add them in the comment section. In the next video, we will demonstrate that how we can perform protein ligand MD simulation using this GROMACS tool. Thank you so much for watching. Allah Hafiz.